Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I'm going to cover a few things that you have probably seen for yourself, but all the same, I believe are the current theme of the market. And we can go back here and begin assessing this from Wednesday, right? Because the movement gaps us up here into just above 4150, and from this key gamma strike, from this large psychological value, flushes down into 4100. So it's just that 50-point range. Then from there, 4100 offers support, goes bid back into basically 4150. And then the cycle really just repeats. So somewhat of a nondescript Thursday, trading again inside those ranges. And then today we see again a gap into what is resistance, sold off at 4150, and then pulls back only to go bid at 4100. So it's really just a fascinating game of very reflective ranges, and these are the spots that we are bouncing in between. Now, those ranges leave us to close kind of at the dead middle of it here on Friday, but what I am of the opinion is that we are going to be moving again to test 4150 next week and possibly on up into 4200. Now, I don't know that the move is going to be as direct as Monday into Tuesday, but I want to at least be aware of it, consider the possibility, because I'd like to see that the VIX can continue to contract into its expiration. All right, we've been using this theme for a couple of days now, and so far it continues to be good. Even though the markets did see a good deal of volatility, the VIX still made a lower low and a lower high versus those previous sessions. So I'm looking to that as general weakness, as momentum in the squeeze histogram that can continue to push the VIX lower from Monday and Tuesday until that contract expires, and then we'll see if we can get a bounce off of it from there. So that's how I'm using those ranges into next week's expiration. I hope you find that helpful in your trading, and we'll see how it looks in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.